I just accepted my first order. I'm gonna go pick up some dumplings. I stand to make $5.75. So we're just going for our first DoorDash pickup right now. I think we're gonna go pick up some dumplings. I'm driving very economically because I want to save fuel while doing this.
1 minute later.
All right. And I'm hoping that we can get there soon because we're driving a Ferrari to really boost those tips up. We're gonna pick up for Yad Dim, 3 items, verify order. All right, going in. All right, we've got the order. It says do not open sealed bags. The staple already opened. 2.5 miles, 8 minutes to Dejera. I found it, 2540 Mini Melts ice cream. Hello. We've got a DoorDash order for Dejera.
Yes, check over there next door. We have a Dejera.
There's no Dejera there. They sent me next door to TPS. I think we're good. I just, delivery completed, made $5.75. It's been approximately 40 minutes. Another happy customer. We've been driving for approximately 45 minutes and I made $5.75 without factoring in my expenses. It was good. We got there fast because we were driving the Ferrari. So all things considered, I think that went pretty well.